Hurricane Adalia is the latest in a long string of tropical storms in the Atlantic this year. It is located east of the Bahamas and is quickly strengthening. It is currently categorized as a Category 1 hurricane and is predicted to intensify to a Category 2 over the next few days. Winds from the storm are sustained at around 75 miles per hour with higher gusts reported. It currently has a wide wind field, about 250 miles in diameter, with heavy winds extending outward up to 85 miles. Adalia is moving quickly towards the north-northeast, projected to move about 32 miles per hour. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches, with up to 6 inches in isolated areas are expected. There is also a slight chance of isolated tornadic activity near and along the coast. The official forecast predicts for the storm to eventually curve out to sea. However, there is still a great deal of uncertainty in the track of the storm, and it may move closer to the coast. Coastal areas from Florida to North Carolina should remain on alert in case the storm decides to move in closer. Officials have issued tropical storm warnings for parts of the Bahamas and a tropical storm watch for parts of the southeastern United States. For those in the affected area, preparation is essential. This includes having supplies stocked, establishing evacuation plans, listening to local authorities, and more. Knowing what to do before, during, and after a hurricane can be life-saving. Supporters are also encouraged to take precautions and make sure that their homes, businesses, and boats are adequately guarded. As Hurricane Adalia becomes more established, updates will be available from local news and the National Hurricane Center. If the hurricane is to take a turn away from the coast, it is expected to occur around the end of the week. If Adalia continues to move toward the U.S., the National Weather Service could be issuing evacuation orders soon. Forecasts should be watched closely over the next few days as the storm continues to move. People in the potential path of Hurricane Adalia should stay prepared and stay informed. Coastal areas could experience heavy storm surge, storm tides, and large waves that could be dangerous for those in its path. As the storm winds make landfall, there can be a risk of significant wind damage and downed power lines. Flash flooding is also possible as long durations of heavy rains can create high standing waters. Isolated tornadoes may also occur near and along the coast, adding an extra element of danger. The National Hurricane Center urges for extra caution and to listen to local warnings and alerts.